Welcome back to Live from the Camper, House Edition. My name's Tony, and today we're making a crab cakes Benedict. So my wife loves the crab cakes Benedict over at Olivia's, Old Key West resort down in Disney, but we don't feel like driving all the way down there. So she challenged me to make it here in the Foodi. Well, here's all the ingredients you need to make your crab cakes Benedict. And if you miss something, don't worry, it'll all be down in the description box below. Well, are you ready? Good, let's get cooking. Let's start off by preheating the Ninja Foodi. We're gonna do air crisp, 375 degrees for 10 minutes. And while that's warming up, let's get these crab cake patties together. Go ahead and crack one egg. And let's beat it up. Isn't it cute? It's so small and cute, I love it. Now let's add a quarter cup of mayonnaise, quarter cup of red pepper, quarter cup of green pepper, tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 dashes of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning, and a quarter cup of Panko plain breadcrumb thingies. Let's go ahead and mix that up. Now we're going to use 8 ounces of lump crab meat. Now when you put this in, don't stir it all up and break it all up. You want it to be lumpy. So you're going to kind of fold it in there and just kind of incorporate it. Don't mash it. See how I'm doing that? I want lumpy crab meat. So while you're waiting for your Ninja Foodi to heat up, go ahead and hit that little red button down there and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell, bing, so you know when my new videos come out. And over on Facebook, we have the Ninja Foodi Instapot Universe Facebook group. Come on over and check it out. We exchange recipes, tips, tricks, all that good stuff. So you got a few minutes, go check it out. All right, it's all preheated. Let's go ahead and open it up and spray a little olive oil in there. Now we're going to form some patties and drop them right in that air crisp basket. Get back in there. Just like you would a hamburger. One about that big because you want it to be able to fit right on that English muffin. Just drop it right in. It looks like I have enough to make 3. All right, now we're gonna air crisp at 375 for 10 minutes. All right, the timer's gone off. Let's take a look at these bad boys. Oh yeah, look at that. Those are cooking up nice. So let's go ahead and hit it with a little more olive oil on top. Ooh, got my spray going out too hard. Now let's cook them for 5 more minutes to get that nice crunchy texture we're looking for. All right, it's been 5 minutes. Now let's check it out. Oh, look at that. That is perfect. Let's go ahead and gently take them out. Try for them not to fall apart like that one is. Doesn't that look amazing? Now get on your lobster gloves and let's get this hot basket out of here. Now what I'm gonna do is just dump out the crumbs that are in the bottom. Now go ahead and add a cup of water. Go ahead and get your egg molds out, hit them with a little pan. Now I'm only making 2, so I only need to spray 2. Crack an egg, drop it right in there. Now get a piece of tin foil and lightly cover the top. Don't seal it. We just want to make sure condensation doesn't get back into your eggs. Now get out your trivet thingy, put it right in there. Take your egg mold and put it right in the middle. Put on your pressure lid. Seal, and we're going to pressure cook for 7 minutes. Timer went off. Let's do a quick release. Red pins drop. Let's take the top off. Let's move the Ninja Foodi over, put on our lobster claws, and get those eggs out. So I dumped the water out. I'm gonna put the crisper basket back in. Let's grab these English muffins, put them in. Grab your crab cake of choice, put it on top. And let's broil these for about 2 minutes, just to warm them up and get the bread warmed up. All right, it's been 2 minutes. Time to plate it up and eat it up. Oh, that's gonna be delicious. Now we're gonna pop those eggs out of the mold. Now my wife likes the eggs a little bit firmer when they're poached. If you want it a little bit more runny, go about 5 minutes on the pressure cooking. Those are hot. Now I did cheat with the hollandaise sauce. I bought the Great Value. It's already prepared. It's in a jar. Throw it in the microwave. Get it all nice and warm, and then pour it over the top. It tastes really good, I promise. Put that right over the top. Look at that. That looks amazing. Now, anybody that knows me knows I love my food colorful. So I have a little bit of red bell pepper here, left over from what I put in the crab cakes. Just gonna put it around the plate like this. Give it a little color. And then I'm gonna take a little green onion, diced up, put it right on the top. Look at that. And as Emerald Lagasse would say, BAM! Kick it up a notch. And there it is, Crab Cakes Benedict. Doesn't that look fantastic, man? I can't wait to try this. I'm not even a big seafood fan, and this is getting me excited. Well, let's get into it. Yeah, my eggs are a little firmer than you're supposed to have when you have Benedict. But like I said, that's why my wife likes it. So that's the way she's gonna get it. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is amazing. Oh, where do I even start? The crab cakes are crunchy, full of flavor. You can tell it's the old spice, or the Old Bay spice in there. Then you get the creaminess from the hollandaise sauce with that egg. Oh, that is amazing, guys. You have to try this one. In fact, I'm wrapping this up quick so I can eat my side and my wife can eat her side, because she's over here right now going,
exactly.
See? So I got one question for you. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Good. Let's eat.